back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about the ultimatemedium.com course part 20 of 30, why building important medium.com connections on Twitter so important. So my friends, we talked about LinkedIn connections in the last video. Today we are talking about Twitter connections in the new video. Well, there is only one answer to this, my friends. Why it's important is that if you have connections with top medium writers on Twitter, when you tweet your medium story on Twitter with the correct hashtags, of course, these writers might have a look at your medium story and they can retweet and like your medium story, so their followers can see your medium story then. And people like Mehmet Yildiz, who has got over 6,800 followers, and these are legit followers who are all writers on Medium, most of them, and some marketing agencies as well. So you are building lots and lots of opportunities for yourself to get eyeballs on your medium stories on Twitter. Twitter is a massive platform, my friends, and this is the best way to get eyeballs on your medium stories on Twitter is to build connections with medium writers, powerful medium writers. This is one of them that I suggest to you. Then I think also Dr. Mehmet Yildiz, unlike many medium writers, he will actually help you. He might retweet a medium story of yours. If you publish in his publication, The Illumination, he might do it for you. He might tweet about your medium story. He has done this for me many times. So my friends, this is why connections are very important with medium writers on Twitter. You can search for other medium writers. Nothing is coming on my mind right now. Important people that are actually helpful, because the big writers, the biggest issue with them on Twitter is that they will usually ignore your tweets. Unlike Mehmet Yildiz, Dr. Mehmet Yildiz, they will ignore your tweets, my friends. So my advice to you is connect with those people who don't ignore your tweets, who likes and retweets your tweets, my friends. Take care for watching, my friends, and I'm sorry I couldn't show you more examples. My main account has been locked because I have no access to my cell phone, and they want to send me SMS verification. My cell phone is damaged, my friends, so that's why I couldn't show you other examples. But I think I have covered everything by covering this man, Dr. Mehmet Yildiz, on Twitter, and you might have got all the ideas now on why it is so important to build Twitter connections with medium writers. Stay tuned for part 21.